Today I will talk about how can you enable dark mode on your LingoDeer app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you here. Just go down, click here on me down here. When you just when you just click here on me, it's going to take you to this list here. Then you go down, just keep going down here. Click here on settings, you just click on it here. Then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on mode. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. You click here on dark. So then it's going to change with you here to dark mode like you see on your app. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.